The Jakku scavengers have recovered an old Imperial droid, one the Resistance is eager to seize. What the droid contains, I am not at liberty to say, but I will sacrifice this whole brigade to retrieve it. We will take control of this wreckage and prevent the Resistance from fleeing with its prize. Secure the landing pad and the old reactor control chamber. Then we close the noose. Position in reactor control. No mistakes.
Launching grenade! Victory is our destiny! Grenade out!
Besieging the landing pad. Opposition under control.
Today we achieve greatness! Rally to the shield!
They've bungled the defense of the landing pad. Begin final lockdown. Outer perimeter secure. Push forward. We're going deeper into the wreckage. Resistance forces have gathered in the supply hold. They have the droid we're after. They're moving rapidly to escape. Disperse their forces in the hold. After that, we'll chase them down and annihilate them.
Grenade deployed! Strike from the shield!
Careful, one of their top agents just showed up. Taking control of the supply hold.
Pile their bodies among the
Grenade
wreckage.
ready! Deflector is up! Victory is our destiny!
Special operative on site and taking point.
All squads to the hole. We must not delay. The enemy is scattered. Regroup and push forward together. We're nearing the end. Capture the east and west exits. The resistance forces will crash against our barricades, and we will claim the droid at last.
At the west exit. Securing
ready.
now. Going
Barrier
for the east
stable.
exit.
It won't be long now. The west exit is falling.
Grenade out!
Exit point secure. They'll scurry about, looking for escape. Chase them down.
One of our best operatives has landed.
No! No! Resistance transports have landed. They're attempting an aerial extraction. Place charges on the transports and detonate them. We succeed or fail here.
Enemies fall as one!
Top resistance agent on site. Priority target.
We're your savior.
Supreme Leader sends us forth! Nothing gets inside!
At the starboard transport, explosives in place.
awning sequence. The starboard transport will be destroyed.
Purge yourselves of doubt!
Ray has been
Victory is our
spotted.
destiny.
Be careful around
Rally
that
to the shield.
scavenger.
The Supreme Leader guides us!
Can't detonate the port vessel! They got to the bomb! Charge is set on the port vessel!
Grenade ready! We will inherit the galaxy! Deflector is up!
Final awning sequence. Port vessel nearly ready to detonate.
One of the resistance leaders is here!
Now what's left of the resistance is truly trapped, and the Imperial droid belongs to us.